Hi everyone, it is a pleasure to welcome you to this workshop on SQL Server Analysis Services Tabular Models. Your joining this workshop reflects a commitment to enhancing your data modeling and business intelligence capabilities. And I am excited about the knowledge we are going to share and the skills we will develop together during this session. Let's first understand the importance of SSAS tabular models. In today's data driven world, organizations are occupied with vast amounts of data. The challenge lies not in the collection of data, but in its effective analysis and utilization to drive informed decision making. This is where SSAS tabular models come into play. Introduced by Microsoft, the tabular model provides a modern approach to data modeling, offering in memory processing, a relational modeling experience. This enables rapid analysis and the development of scalable high performance BA solutions. Then let's come into the workshop objectives. Our goal today is to equip you with comprehensive understanding of SSAS tabular models, from foundational concepts to advanced implementation techniques. By the end of this workshop, you will be able to design and develop the tabular models. That means you are going to understand the process of creating tabular models using Visual Studio, including data importation and relationship establishment and measure creation. And then you are going to implement the best practices. That means you are going to learn the best practices for data modeling, such as utilizing the SQL Server queries for data retrieval to ensure the consistency and maintainability. And then you will be able to do the optimize and develop the models. That means you are going to gain the insights into optimizing model performance and deploying solutions on both on-premises and cloud-based analysis services instances. When when coming to our agenda, we are going to start with introduction to SSAS tablet models. That means we are going to explore the evolution of SSAS and the significance of tablet model in modern BA scenarios. And then we are going to learn the hands-on model development. That means we are going to engage in step-by-step creation of a tabular model covering the data import, transformation, and DAX calculations. We are going to learn best practices and optimization. We will discuss the strategies for efficient data modeling, including the use of tools like Tabular Editor to enhance the development experience, and then deployment and integration. We are going to learn how these tabular models are deployed and integrate them with reporting tools such as PowerBi and Excel. So finally, what can I say is embarking on this journey with SSA's tabular models positions you to harness the full potential of your organization's data assets. I'm confident that these skills and the knowledge we are going to acquire today will contribute significantly to your professional growth and your organization's success. Thank you for joining us, and let's dive into the world of SSA's tabular models.